This is a matter which Lordship has got regarding it is against the order of the learned judgment of the learned Singhajet, where the Commission itself has not complied with the order of the judgment direction, because the Commission itself admits that the two questions were wrongly framed by them. The Honorable Court in paragraph 33 directed them to delete the two questions and award the marks. They did not award the marks for that two questions also, which they admit to be wrong, and they recommended the names of the candidates for appointment, and on 12th October 2025 they have made appointment by the government, and on 6th November they filed a special appeal. So neither they have complied their own admission that they have deleted two questions wrongly, framed wrongly. And now they are saying that the direction by the...
So what learned single judge directed, what was the direction regarding those two questions?
The
which they admit to be wrong.
The learned single judge directed that the two questions to be deleted and to award the marks to the candidates.
Because of their concession.
And to revise the result, entire result, fix the benchmark, and those candidates who have already been selected, they will not be disturbed.
So you are, Mr. Aditya Singh, are you challenging the judgment also qua the direction to remove those two questions which you conceded that they are wrong?
No, my lord. No,
because you can't challenge, because when you make a statement that these are wrong and we will score them off.
We're not challenging on that ground.
Yeah, that's not. So, remove those two questions which you conceded that they are wrong?
No, my lord. No,
because you can't challenge, because when you make a statement that these are wrong and we will score them off.
We're not challenging on that ground.
Yeah, that's not. So, but why did you not comply if you are not challenging?
There are two questions. And so what third question is concerned, they are not challenging the report of expert committee.
Because you can't truncate the judgment, because judgment has to be as a whole, and then you say that you are not challenging as regards that direction. So it has to be honored.
Therefore, on the judgment, my lord, give me the liberty, my lord, vis-a-vis the two questions, my lord, on which we conceded, we'll comply, my lord.
But how now they have complied the judgment, made appointment, how can they now comply the judgment in part?
Lord, as far as third question is concerned, even in respect of third question, the Singhajet is directed to comply their own regulations, Lord. Expert says it was a multi-objective type questions, Lord, multi-choice questions, Lord. Two answers were, they marked one answer as right. The expert body says that both the two answers are right.
How many appeals? There were some defective appeals also.
They have come, Lordship.
So defects have removed.
That have come on board right now.
कितना है? 13 appeals.
14 और इसमें से Lordship बाकी पिटिशन तो अपील वो है जिसमें कि रेट डिसमिस हो, उसकी भी इन्होंने अपील कर रखी है.
But the difficulty is many of the selected persons, they have been appointed.
Lordship, they have appointed.
So if we set aside the impugned judgment, then those persons who are not before us, they will also be affected.
Yes, Lord, that observation of your Lords runs in our favor, Lord, because what we say is that they intentionally filed it with a delay, Lord, so that they may create such a situation. Lord, the Honorable Singhajet said that those who are selected may not be disturbed. Now this goes in their favor because their recommendation.
When the judgment was rendered by learned single judge, by that time recommendation was made by the selecting body.
Yes, my lord.
Recommendation was made thereafter or
Before that.
Before that. We came before the court against the provisional recommendation list, Lordship.
That was a state.
No, it was provisional. So when the recommendation was made, provisional recommendation, provisional would be select list.
Recommendation list, Lordship.
Provisional select.
Before that.
We came before the court against the provisional recommendation list, Lordship.
That was a state.
No, it was provisional. So when the recommendation was made, provisional recommendation, जब उसको finalize करने के बाद ही तो recommendation होगी.
Lordship ये क्या करते हैं?
There can't be two recommendations, one provisional and one final.
इन्होंने वो provisional recommendation list को ही बाद में communicate किया, Lordship. होती है.
Provisional merit होगी. अगर उसमें objections मांगे, जब उसको finalize करने के बाद ही तो recommendation होगी.
Lordship ये क्या करते हैं?
There can't be two recommendations, one provisional and one final.
इन्होंने वो provisional recommendation list को ही बाद में communicate किया, Lordship. और ये वो जो कम्युनिकेशन है वो 10 फरवरी 2025 का है, बट लॉर्डशिप उस पर एक्शन नहीं हुआ. वो एक्शन हुआ 12 अक्टूबर 2025 को, जब रिट डिसमिस डिसाइड हो गई. उसके बाद उन्होंने भेजा तो 12 अक्टूबर को.
Here is a case wherein government is playing.
चलो हम ये कह देते हैं कि जो all selected candidates who have been appointed, let there be a general public notice in the advertisement, so that जब next time आता है कोर्ट में, so this difficulty would not be faced. At least all selected candidates would have notice of this appeal.
लॉर्ड हमारा सबमिशन ये था कि इस दौरान क्या कर रहे हैं, ये हमको तो अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं दे रहे हैं उसके बेसिस पर, अगर एट बेस्ट आता भी है बाद में वो कि सेलेक्ट वाले नहीं जाएंगे, तो हमारे लिए तो जो ऑब्जर्वेशन आई है कोर्ट की,
single without notice to them it can be
लॉर्ड हमारे लिए जो कोर्ट ने कहा है उसको सस्टेन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं एज फार एज देयर मिस्टेक इज कंसर्न विद रिगार्ड टू क्वेश्चंस लॉर्ड दैट इज बीइंग सस्टेन्ड, दे आर नॉट एबल टू जस्टिफाई इट।
चलिए आज हम कुछ नहीं करते। कमीशन यू इशू अ पब्लिक नोटिस इन न्यूज़पेपर्स, है ना, आस्किंग to approach this court, participate in the proceedings. Let there be a notice regarding pendency of this appeal.
But the ones who have been selected by us, my lord, they have not been disturbed by the learned single judge's order.
No, if this court ultimately decides to disturb them, so at least those parties should be
On
represented.
those circumstances, yes.
So opportunity is a must. So otherwise our hands are tied, we can't disturb their selection.
बिकॉज ये क्या कर रहे हैं मतलब, ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट तो कमीशन का रूल अदा कर रही है, कमीशन स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का रूल अदा कर रही है। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने कहा अपॉइंटमेंट हमको देना है, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आप कर दीजिए ऐसा, बस उनको मत डिस्टर्ब करिए। और कमीशन को जो जिनको अपॉइंटमेंट, आप कमीशन उनका रूल अदा करके यहाँ चैलेंज करने आ रहा है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जिसको अपॉइंटमेंट देना है वो चैलेंज नहीं कर रही ऑर्डर को।
चलो क्या हुआ इसमें, तुमने क्या चैलेंज किया था?
We have challenged the answer key, lordship. We have challenged the answer key of the
Selection process was being challenged, lordship. Certain evaluation of copies was being put to challenge. No?
नहीं, तुम्हारा कहना था कि 2-3 क्वेश्चंस के लिए जो आंसर है, आंसर की में वो गलत, 3 क्वेश्चंस।
Because
नहीं lordship 8 थे।
every petition had different questions, lord. Bunch of petitions were being filed.
लेकिन सब में इशू यही है,
disputing the answer key given by the commission for certain questions.
पिटिशनर्स नहीं ऐसे कह दो, रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर कौन है? प्राइवेट रिस्पोंडेंट्स है क्या?
हर
Petitioners are
Private respondent file separate writ petitions challenging the answer as given in the answer key. पहले ये कह दो, petitioners participated, नहीं, private respondents participated in a selection for the post of assistant teacher LT grade held by Uttarakhand Subordinate Service Selection Commission. Since their name did not figure in the select list,
dated 9th February 2025.
ये provisional selection
Provisional recommendation list.
in the provisional recommendation list dated
9th February 2025.
9th February 2025,
Issued by the commission.
comma, therefore they filed writ petitions, separate writ petitions, challenging certain answers as given to different questions, comma, in the answer key. First of learned single judge, ये ऐसे कह दो, बिफोर लर्नेड सिंगल जज, ये 2 क्वेश्चंस के लिए तुमने एडमिट किया था।
Yes, ma'am.
Question number
The selecting body, that is Uttarakhand Subordinate Service Selection Commission, conceded before learned single judge that answers to 2 questions as given in the answer key are erroneous. Erroneous का आप क्या बोला?
इन्होंने कहा
उन्होंने कहा कि
क्वेश्चन ही गलत फ्रेम हुआ था। नहीं, क्वेश्चन गलत फ्रेम हुआ था।
अच्छा, conceded that 2 questions
Lordship.
which were asked in the main, ये main होता क्या
Main
होता
एक ही होता है exam.
in the written examination were ambiguous, ambiguous, comma, therefore they shall be
Deleted.
they shall be deleted, और ये कहा कि सबको बराबर मार्क्स देंगे,
Yes, Lordship. As per the guidelines of the commission.
नहीं सबको मार्क्स देंगे या टोटल स्कोर कम कर देंगे,
Marks देंगे sir, Lordship.
and bonus marks would be given to all candidates who attempted those questions,
No,
no, sir.
irrespective of the fact that
Attempt करे ना करे.
Yes, Lordship.
to all candidates. First, learned single judge, क्या बोला सिंगल जज ने?
Lord single judge ने बोला तीसरे क्वेश्चन के 2 क्वेश्चन के लिए तो बोल दिया यही।
वो डायरेक्शन दिखाओ सिंगल जज,
Page
Page 33. ये बोला internal
Internal page 29 है, paragraph 32.
page 42, 40,
That is 33.
directed to revise the result, deleting 2 questions. A learned single judge decided the writ petitions, the batch of writ petitions with the following directions. Page 33 में जो directions है 1 से लेके 8 तक पूरी,
42 पैरा,
है, पेज 33 है, हाँ,
पेज 42 पैरा,
हाँ 33 में ले लेना, ये जो है 1 से लेके 33 का रोमन 1 से लेके रोमन 7 तक ये सब कोट करता है ना। The selecting body has come in appeal against the judgment rendered by Leonard single judge. Full stop. किस ground पे क्या कह रहा तुम?
Milord, there are two primary grounds, Milord. That is, Milord, that Milord, the learned single judge has not come to the conclusion while passing the judgment vis-a-vis two questions that the nearest correct answer to the question.
नहीं, two questions you considered.
Two questions तो इनका
दो तो तुमने concede किया ना?
In all, there are 7
No,
questions.
no. These two you are referring to are other than the two
Other than
regarding which you
yes.
made a concession.
Yes, yes.
These
yes,
are
yes,
other.
there are other than that.
Other
थोड़ा
than.
सर क्वेश्चन तो माने ही नहीं कोर्ट ने, तीन ही क्वेश्चन तो माने टोटल.
लॉर्डशिप जो 7 क्वेश्चन थे
Milord,
उसमें से
kindly
4 तो
see
कोर्ट ने इनके इन्हीं की बात मान ली कि सही है, 2 इन्होंने कंसीड किया कि गलत है, एम्बिगस है तो डिलीट हो गए. एक क्वेश्चन कोर्ट ने एक्सपर्ट को भेजा, वो एक्सपर्ट के ओपिनियन के बेस पे कह दिया कि ऑप्शन बी और सी दोनों सही हैं, तो उसको इन्होंने चैलेंज किया है.
मतलब
और
they can
लॉर्डशिप
only
इन्होंने
challenge
अनदर एक्सपर्ट
Mark
की
should be
ओपिनियन
allotted
चैलेंज
as
किए
per
कोर्ट में.
deleted questions. Commission is directed to revise the result. Is option B and C.
Milord, but
Need
kindly
not,
see now.
ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ है ना, ये जो इसका 4 देखो, क्योंकि ये कह रहा है कि पूरा नहीं करोगे, तो जो ऊपर चले गया लहर में, तो how can they retain the benefit? क्योंकि तो revise होना चाहिए, तो it has to be done to all. अगर किसी लोग से वो ऊपर पहुंच गया है, already been shall not be affected. तो तुम्हारा एक ग्राउंड तो ये है कि 2 क्वेश्चंस में क्या हुआ?
Milord, एक क्वेश्चन है वो क्वेश्चन नंबर D 64. उसमें what the learned single judge holds is that there were, in terms of an expert body that the learned single judge appointed, that there were 2 right answers to that question. Although the commission says it is answer which is B, which was correct. However, the expert
तो
body.
तुम्हारा ये भी कहना है कि सिंगल जज could not have gone into this question validity of
Yes, Milord.
Huh?
Yes, Milord.
चलो.
Yes, Milord. And
Learned
also
counsel for the
nearest
appellant
correct answer
submits
has to be taken to it.
that the writ court could not have gone into the question of correctness of an answer, as in academic matters, opinion of the domain experts has to be respected. He relies upon कौन सा judgment है वो हिमाचल वाला कौन सा? बहुत सारे
कानपुर
judgment.
यूनिवर्सिटी
हाँ?
का judgment है, Milord. And
जिसमें
कानपुर
कहा है कि
यूनिवर्सिटी
academic
का
matters में experts की opinion को there can't be any issue.
ईश्वर से स्टेट
कौन सा judgment?
लॉर्डशिप ने स्किप द जजमेंट फॉर द स्टेज वाले. इनका आर्गुमेंट लिखते हैं, जजमेंट ना लिखें.
चलो ठीक है, दूसरा कर दो. और क्या सबमिशन है तुम्हारा?
Milord, यही submission है. Primarily, this is the
कि
submission.
एकेडमिक मैटर में
Yes.
कोर्ट शुड नॉट.
They cannot interfere.
चलो,
चलेंगे नहीं कि
it is further submitted. Yeah, the direction number 4 is also challenged. क्या ऐसे कह दो, we are prima facie is satisfied that the 4th direction, which provides that the result of those candidates whose name has been included in the provisional recommendation list published on 9/2/25 should not be disturbed. Is interferable as the mistake, if any, in the evaluation, in the evaluation became in the वो क्या answer, in the question or the answer given to such question in the answer key, if corrected, comma, then it has to be corrected qua all the candidates and not selectively against those whose name does not figure in the revised recommendation या provisional recommendation list. So in such view of the matter,
लॉर्डशिप में
let the appellant is directed to issue public notice to all candidates,
selected and appointed committee.
to all candidates who's all selected candidates who have been appointed
लॉर्डशिप
pursuant to the क्या provisional recommendation list. उसी पे हुआ या revised
नहीं
recommendation?
रिवाइज कुछ नहीं हुआ,
उसी पे
कुछ करा ही नहीं
कुछ
रिवाइज.
किया ही नहीं लॉर्डशिप.
मतलब खुद एडमिट करके वो भी नहीं
provisional
करा.
पे कैसे हो सकता है?
लॉर्डशिप
Provisional recommendation पे
लॉर्डशिप ने किया ही नहीं, उसके बाद तो उन्होंने उसी
who were appointed on the strength of provisional recommendation list by issuing advertisement in two leading newspapers having wide circulation within the state, comma, one of which should be in English language. एक English, एक Hindi.
Lordship Mason Lord, appointment, if any, given by them shall be subject to the final outcome of this special.
First of
My learned friend is wanting to enlarge.
आप ही तो फाइल कर रहे हैं स्पेशल अपील. You cannot have the cake and eat it too. ये तो हमारा कहना है. अभी पहले फाइल किए.
in that public notice, it shall be clearly indicated that such candidates can approach या can तो यहाँ पे क्या implement से आएंगे फिर?
Implement से आएंगे.
That can approach this court by filing implement application in तो सभी हैं जो उससे क्या चलो इसको क्या है लिस्ट ऑन स्वेन सो फरवरी में लगा
Any other matter except 29?
All of them. All of them in serial number 3 except 29. Serial
तो ये सब क्लब कर दो
29 and
29 1.
Yes, sir.
29 मतलब फोकस हो गई लॉर्डशिप क्योंकि इन्होंने इंट्रीम ऑर्डर चैलेंज किया था तो स्पेशल जजमेंट आ गया फाइनल.
वो इंट्रीम ऑर्डर चैलेंज
हाँ, 91
तो उसको डिसमिस कर देते जो इंट्रीम ऑर्डर
91 2024 तो इनकी थी जो इंट्रीम ऑर्डर के अगेंस्ट थी.
नहीं लेकिन इंट्रीम ऑर्डर में क्या था व्हाट
वो
वाज
जो एक्सपर्ट को भैया था एक्सपर्ट की तो रिपोर्ट भी आ गई इन्होंने चैलेंज भी नहीं की लॉर्डशिप.
challenging the main order.
चलो इसको भी रहने दो रहने दो
Can I request a copy of the order be supplied to me?
entire thing can be said. सबको नोटिस है वकीलों का भी अच्छा इतने वकीलों को
Look, this matter was listed yesterday, and your lordship asked the respondent.
whose name does not figure in the revised recommendation or provisional recommendation list. So in such way of the matter, let the appellant is directed to issue public notice to all candidates,
selected and appointed.
to all candidates who, all selected candidates who have been appointed
लॉर्डशिप
pursuant to the क्या provisional recommendation list. उसी पे वो या revised recommendation list. उसी पे provisional कैसे हो सकता है? Provisional recommendation list. Who were appointed on the strength of provisional recommendation list by issuing advertisement in two leading newspapers having wide circulation within the state, comma, one of which should be in English language. एक English, एक Hindi.
Lordship Mason Lord, appointment, if any, given by them shall be subject to the final outcome of this special.
First of
My learned friend is wanting to enlarge.
आप ही तो फाइल कर रहे हैं स्पेशल अपील. You cannot have the cake and eat it too. ये तो हमारा कहना है. अभी पहले फाइल किए.
in that public notice, it shall be clearly indicated that such candidates can